Good afternoon, students. Now, today's lesson is about a story of flying from literature book. Two stories about flying. Okay, today we will start with one story. The first one is His First Flight, written by Liam O. Flaherty. So, here the theme of the story is what? The story deals with the theme of overcoming one's fear. Overcoming one's fear means here this is a story about a seagull and his family. Here the seagull is having his parents and his young siblings. The main characters are here the seagull, a young seagull, and his parents and his young siblings. So he was very much afraid of flying. Okay, and his young siblings were rather very much courageous than him. So the theme of it is overcoming one's fear. How he overcame with this fear with the passing of time, and what he had to face for his fear which he was carrying with him. Okay, and this story is set near a sea where a family of seagull lives on a ledge. This family, the seagull parents and his siblings, the young siblings, they all live on a ledge. Ledge means a sort of layer. So this is all about the main character, the setting and the theme of the story. Now I will give you a gist of it, what had happened and what he had to face. So the young seagull was afraid of flying, and his sibling had learned to fly 2 days before and had flown away. Means after it's born, at a certain period of time, when the time came they had to fly, the seagull could not fly because he was so much afraid. And on the other hand, his young siblings started flying 2 days before he started flying. Okay, then he used to see his young siblings were flying, his parents were flying, and they were catching fish from the sea, and they were eating and all, they were playing, enjoying. But he was so much afraid and he was so much scared of flying, he could not do anything. He was just watching them from far. He did not have that courage to go and join them. Here the seagull's parents did not help him because it was a time when he had to learn flying on his own, and means there were no other way, because he had to learn it on his own by seeing others, by seeing his parents and siblings. But it was a scary sight for him, and he was a very coward soul. So what happened? His parents did not help him because flying is an art where you have to do it on your own. When you have to fly on your own, no one can just hold you and make you learn flying. So the parents were one day what happened, the parents and the siblings, they were just enjoying flying, and they were settling on the sea. They were catching fish and all, and he was watching them from far. He was so much hungry, very much. He was very much hungry because he have not been eaten for 2 days. He was extremely hungry, and he saw his mother eating fish. He begged her. He begged her mother. He begged his mother to give him fish, but his mother did not do that. His mother came near him. He thought his mother was coming to help him, but just after reaching to him, she turned back. His mother turned back. Okay, and then these are the events actually. Then what happened? After testing him for some time, The mother seagull came towards him with the fish, but then stopped a bit away from the ledge. As I said, he was watching from far, and he was begging for the fish, for the food. His mother came to him with a piece of fish, but before reaching him, he just stopped. She stopped. His mother stopped. The seagull came towards him, and he stopped. Okay, and what happened? She came back. She go back. She go back to the previous place, and she was the seagull was very much disappointed, and she could see her child was suffering from hunger, was very much extremely hungry, but she knew that if she used to give him food this way, she will never learn flying, and she will be dependent on her. So she knew the fact, and she flew away. So what happened? He could not bear the feeling of hunger anymore. The climax came. What is the climax? He became mad with hunger. He What happened? He jumped at the food, but he fell downwards. He jumped. He tried to jump. As he did not know how to fly, so he fell downwards. Then he flapped his wings, and after some struggle, he began to fly. So this is how he started flying. He learned flying. First, he was coming downwards, and as he could understand, and he could feel that he is coming down, he started flapping his wings, and he started flying. This is how he started his first flight. Okay, and all of a sudden, what happened? All his fears disappeared, because now he can fly. So, and he could understand that it's not that a scary matter, it's not that much scary what he used to think. So what happened at the end? But and everyone saw that his parents, his siblings, they were very happy to see him flying, and they were cheering him up. And then settled and the seagull settled on the green sea. The young seagull also landed on the green sea as they were flying. So all of them landed on the green sea, but got terrified. The young seagull, who could not fly before, he was terrified when his feet began to sink. As he do not know properly flying and landing on the sea, his feet was sinking in the sea. So he became very afraid. He was terrified. But soon he started floating on the sea, as it is a natural thing for birds which hover near the seas and all. They can float. Okay, so first he was afraid, he was terrified, he thought that he will be sunk in the sea, but soon what happened? He started floating on the sea with the natural phenomena. And everybody was very happy, the parents and the siblings, young siblings and all together. They were very happy, and they started enjoying from then they started flying and enjoying together, eating food together, and all the fear and scary thoughts had just vanished from the young seagull. So this is the story of the young seagull, who was initially very much afraid of flying, but suddenly gradually, and one day suddenly he started flying, and his first flight gave him that much pleasure, and all the fear, all the scariness, everything had gone. This is how he began his flight. So this is the first story about the two stories about flying. and the next story I will tell you the summary in next video. Till then, try to understand it. It's a very beautiful story and a very inspiring story. These the objective of the story, you can see that how when we are afraid, how these thought of fear or this clumsiness uh, brings us back, and these are actually drawbacks which do not help us to grow in life. When you are just living with all this fear and shabbiness and this clumsiness, we cannot reach anywhere. And when you will be get rid of all this negativity, you can achieve whatever you want, and overcoming it is a very great thing to do in life. Overcoming your fear, which is stopping you to do something great in life. Our main motto is to overcome that fear. And don't be afraid, don't be scared of anything. First, you know about it, and then just go ahead. Do not stop yourself having all this fear and scariness in your mind, because everything is possible in life if you are taking the right way. So read it, know the story, understand the story, and try to find the essence of the story. Till then, good day. Thank you.